If you've already completely run out of fresh ideas to create new products with your metal cutter, don't worry. You have the page vectors.forzalaser.com where you can find countless designs to create your products and expand your business line. Today we have something very special we're going to create with our FORZA Ranger T. Today we are going to use the tube attachment and we are going to create something that we can bend just with our hands without using a support bender. It's an item for your home. I'll tell you more in a moment. Join me. Now we're on our vector page, vectors.forzalaser.com, where we have countless designs that we update every week so that you, as a FORZA customer, can create all these designs. On Vectors, you get the design, while on the library page, you can download the parameters according to the material, the thickness of the material, and the assist gas you're going to use on your machine, depending on its power. What we're going to make, as we said, is for the home, is exactly this right here, a metal infinity shoe rack. And the nature of this design is manual bending, meaning we have a single tube and the idea is to bend it to get this shape. The material, or the tube, we're going to use is a 1 1/4 inch carbon steel PTR or 14 gauge. Also, our FORZA Ranger T and compressed air. So, in a moment, we'll set the parameters. We've now moved the laser head to the height of the tube attachment. And before cutting, as in any product creation process, we need to run a cutting test to see if there are any burrs, especially with PTR, and make sure the dimensions are correct and the material doesn't fall. So now we're going to do it with the engineer.
The moment of truth has arrived. Are you ready?
Now it's the moment we've been waiting for, cutting the PTR. Hit play. We're going to start with the bends. Before we begin, what's the length of this, Christian?
It's about 5 meters and 30.
530 meters. There are different bend points, and we don't need any other process, just manual thanks to this design to be able to make our product. So let's go with the first bend.
Did you think that was all? Wait, there's still more. One step left.
And now we have our shoe rack, which we made from the PTR tube just by bending it. And of course, we gave it a few spot welds to hold it better, using our FORZA solder. We'll place it in a moment here at the FORZA plant to place the shoes of the people who keep their steel toe shoes here when they come to the plant. So it's a functional item for the home and very attractive, a metal shoe rack. If you liked how we created this metal shoe rack, I invite you to watch how we made this key holder right here at this link.